Namaskar. Festivals are more than just a celebration. They are a time for family, for love, and for memories that lasts a lifetime. Festivals are about togetherness, and nothing brings people closer than sharing a traditional sweets. Each bite holding a sweet memories of times gone by. But sweets can sometimes carry a little guilt. How many of you have looked longingly at ladoos or barfis, feeling with the tug of conflict which would bring between tradition and health? What if I told you at this time you don't have to feel that way? Here are three sattvic, healthy, and absolutely delicious sweet recipes that will not only satisfy your sweet tongue but also help you impress everyone in this festive season. Firstly, we have a guilt-free sweet dish for this festive season, which is oats and almond barfi. You will need 1 cup rolled oats, half cup almond flour, 1/4 cup jaggery, 2 tablespoon ghee, half teaspoon cardamom powder, a handful of chopped almonds, and pistachio for garnish. Let's look at how to make this one-of-a-kind barfi. Start with dry roasting oats until golden and then grind them into a coarse powder. Then heat ghee in the pan, add jaggery, stir until jaggery melts. Go ahead and add almond flour, ground oats, and cardamom powder. Mix it well. Now spread the mixture onto a greased tray. Garnish with chopped nuts and let it cool. When it is set properly, then cut it into a barfi shape and serve and enjoy yourself. Wasn't that delicious? Our second recipe is Quinoa Phirni recipe that will tickle your taste buds. What you need is half cup quinoa, 3 cups of milk or almond milk if vegan option, 1/4 cup jaggery, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 2-3 tablespoon chopped nuts like almonds, pistachio, cashew, 1 tablespoon rose water, 4-5 saffron strands, 1 tablespoon ghee, a few rose petals for garnish. Now to make this, you must first rinse quinoa into running water to remove any bitterness. Then boil the quinoa in water until it becomes soft and fully cooked. Drain the excess of water. Now in a separate pan, bring milk to a boil. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes to thicken milk slightly. Now add the cooked quinoa into a simmering milk. Stir occasionally and let it cook. See that they are together for another 10-12 minutes until the mixture thickens to a pudding-like consistency. And then add jaggery to the mixture. Stirring continuously until fully dissolved. Make sure that heat is very low when adding jaggery to prevent curdling. Stir in cardamom powder, saffron, and rose water and mix all these things well. Pour this phirni into a serving bowl or a cup. Garnish with chopped nuts and rose petals. Let it cool down to a room temperature. Lastly, we have coconut ladoos, sweet and nutty delights. You will need 1 cup of dried coconut, 1/4 cup grated jaggery, 1/4 cup assorted dry fruits, cashew, almonds, pistachio, etc. A pinch of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoon ghee. Well, first we will start by grating the coconut in a pan and add jaggery and melt it on a low flame. Add ghee to kadai and heat. Add this grated coconut and roast for 2-3 minutes. Add jaggery, assorted dry fruits, and cardamom powder and mix all this well. Cook till the moisture evaporates. Cool the mixture. Make into small ladoos and serve. Are you excited about these unique Sattvik recipes? Go and have it with a lots of love for your families this festive season. These recipes are not just about avoiding guilt. They are about celebrating consciously with food that raises your energy and keep you vibrant during the most joyous time. By choosing the healthy Sattvik sweets, you honor your body as well as the sacred of the occasion. So in this festive season, embrace the sweetness but guilt-free. It is very clear that you don't worry about whether you are going to put on weight or whether it is unhealthy and your cholesterol will go high or diabetes will increase high, and etc. etc. Try and see that when you sit to eat, you just be blissful, enjoy every morsel, and absorb the sweetness of your sweet dish, and that would help enjoying the festive season. So try and make your festive season really healthier, richer, and happier. Namaskar.